So today's topic is hydroboration oxidation of alkenes on the note of preparation methods of alcohols. This is the topic that in this video we are going to discuss. Okay, so the first, as alkene we are taking a propene here, CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is what? This is propene, the type of alkene. Okay, so if we introduce it with boron trihydride BH3, okay, we are introducing it with boron trihydride BH3. So now in the mechanism, in the process, what is going on here, we would try to find out the partial charges. So we know that boron is electropositive in the comparison of the hydrogen, and hydrogen is electronegative. So on the hydrogen atom there will be a negative charge, and on the boron there will be a positive charge. Okay, and in the case of propene, because there would be a positive induction effect on this carbon atom, so and this bond, there is a chance, much chance to this bond to shift on this carbon. That is why there will be, here will be a negative charge and here will be a positive charge. So this is the reagent. We are using this reagent as BH3, that is boron trihydride, and after the introducing to each other, what will happen, the positive charge will attach to the negative charge or negative part, and the positive part will attach to the negative part. So like this hydrogen atom will attach to this positive charge, because hydrogen is negative here and this CH is positive. So this carbon here, after attaching this hydrogen, it would be CH2, okay, and this negative part will attach to this boron. So what will happen, let us assume that we are taking three molecules of this compound. So what will happen, after the attachment or combination, we can get CH3 and this CH will be CH2, single bond CH2, and then this will be single bond, because this bond is shifted here. So single bond CH2, and this CH2 is negative, and because this is going to be combined with this boron, then it would be here like this. Okay, and because we are taking three molecules of this compound, so it would be like this here as well, CH2 and then CH3, and here as well CH2 and then CH3. Now we are going to combine it with hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. So let's write it like this, like OH here and here as well. This is what? This is hydrogen peroxide. So what will happen, this boron will combine with this first hydroxide ion, okay, so OH atom. So what will happen, the compound will be, the first compound will be BOH whole thrice. That is what? That is, you can write it like this, the first compound will be BOH whole thrice, that is nothing but boric acid. This is what? This is boric acid, and this OH will combine with this CH2, and then we can get the product like CH3 CH2 and then OH, because three molecules are here, so it would be 3, and we are using 3H2O2 here as well. Okay, so this will be product. This is what? This is meth 8 prop. So propane, single bond, so propane, and because we would number like this, we would do numbering like this, so 1 2 3. So at the first carbon OH group is here, so it would be propane 1 all. Okay, so because we are using the reagent BH3 boron trihydrate here, BH3 here, actually BH3 boron trihydride, and this is the propene, that is alkene. So we are introducing the alkene with this reagent, that is what, boron trihydride, and this is what, hydrogen peroxide. That is why it is known as hydroboration, oxidation of alkene, and from this we can get alcohol. This type of alcohol, it is known as terminal alcohol. Okay, so this is what, this is a terminal alcohol. I hope it's clear. Thank you.